Hi there. Welcome to Vidismo, a platform for managing digital media like videos, audio images, and documents on a branded portal. For this tutorial, we'll be using our portal for LexCorp, a fictitious enterprise, as an example to help you understand how Vidismo works. In this video, we'll be taking a look at role-based access control and authorization in Vidismo. Role-based access control assists in maintaining security by restricting unnecessary access to sensitive information depending on each user's role in the organization. Vidismo offers a customizable role-based access control system through which you can choose from a variety of user roles to control permissions for channel and viewing access as you see fit for specific users or groups. In this tutorial, we will discuss how you can manage users and their access in Vidismo. This mechanism is based on a set of claims that a user role is entitled to. Regardless of your field of work or industry, content security is of utmost importance and a key challenge. Vidismo is highly secure, and with several security layers at application, database, storage, and data center levels. To manage the level of control for each user, click on the hamburger icon on the top left corner and go to Control Panel. You can access these settings if you have the administrator role. On the left-hand panel, go to User Roles. From the drop-down menu, select the user you wish to control and manage access to. Here you will see a customized access control list which defines the permissions every user has. Pick and choose the roles you wish to give each user. Vidismo offers certain predefined roles assigned to users with a default set of permissions that can be viewed here. The 5 roles include administrator, manager, moderators, contributor, and viewers. Administrators are account, main portal owners. Managers are specific portals owners who are typically responsible for regular operations such as managing users, media, portal settings, monitoring usage via analytics, etc. Moderators can edit settings and moderate content that's pending, like media and comments. A contributor is basically a viewer with the additional capability to publish and edit their uploaded content. And a viewer is a regular end user of your portal who views media content published in a portal. These claims basically define the set of actions a user in a given role can perform for a set of entities. All registered users are assigned one of the defined user roles, and based on that claim set, a user automatically inherits the permission set to perform various operations in Vidismo application. Vidismo allows these roles to be configured for each portal, and to be assigned to all users that require access to the content being uploaded or published via Vidismo. Well, that's all for this video. If you want to learn more, check out our guide on understanding user roles and access to learn about user roles. Stay tuned until next time.